So I've spent this whole time talking about both session storage and local storage, and you may wonder why show you how to use both when they seem to be doing the same thing. What it does is it lets you persist data even when you reload the page. Well, there are some slight differences, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So if you come over here to the application tab, you can see that I've got a key that says hello and a value that says world, and that's in session storage. And in local storage, you can see I have got my data with that array inside of it, which is great. Okay, so that data is stored in local storage, and that data is stored in session storage. If I open up another tab and I go back to, All right, well, sorry, it took forever to open the other tab. But if I go to a new tab that is open to the exact same website address, you can see that my local storage is still there. But when I go to my session storage, it's actually gone. So on this one, I've got both items in my session storage, and in this one, I've only got one. And over here in local storage, you can see I've got the key and the value. Over here in local storage, you can see that key and value exists. And that is the difference between local storage and session storage. Session storage lives within the tab. So when I close the tab, it's gone. Local storage lives basically forever. It lives until either you delete it or someone else comes along and programmatically deletes it. But you may wonder, is this a security flaw? Well, local storage, if you notice how it's stored in http://localhost 5500. What that means is that this data is only available if you are on the website http://localhost on port 5500. If you are not, you would not be able to access this. So local storage will live pretty much indefinitely until you clear it. Session storage will live until you close the tab, and it cannot be visible across tabs. So I could open a new tab here and go again to localhost 5500, and I would be able to access all of the local storage, but I would not be able to access any of the session storage between either of those two tabs.